So this is how remote workers can be tracked. The last video was the first part of this question. I showed you that the best method to track your remote workers' computers is to install a remote monitoring software like Wolfeye Remote Screen. Um, it will allow you to see the live computer screen as if you were sitting in front of it remotely without the user noticing anything of it. So you will basically spy on the remote computers. And I would like to demonstrate this to you in this short video. So this is the second part of this 2 to 3 part series. I don't know if there will be the necessity to do a third part. We will see. Okay, so how does Wolfeye Remote Screen, the software that we recommend that you use if you want to track the remote computer screen of your workers, how does it work? And I will show it to you. Basically, you can download it from our website on wolfeye.de for free within a trial to use within a trial period. And the software that you will download is, let me see, is this software. You download a piece of software. Here it is. Yeah. And basically, to run the software, what you have to do is you double click the application and you install it by just hitting two buttons. The first button is the green button that says share screen. Yeah? When you basically it's three buttons that you have to click. The first button is the green button that says share screen. It is called share screen because if you hit it, it's already sharing the screen. It creates a link, a URL, and basically it is sharing the screen to that URL. You will be able to open that URL on any browser, for example, also in the browser of your smartphone or in the browser of your remote laptop or in the browser of your other computer, and we'll see the live computer screen of this this computer I'm just using. Um, Basically screenshots updated every 2 seconds. And then you have this white button that says open URL. You will never need this button, but basically what it does, and I will hit it, it opens a browser and it opens that URL, that link, and basically you will see that every 2 seconds updated screen. It's just a little bit strange because this is the computer. I'm seeing the screen on the computer that I'm monitoring, basically. Yeah. Okay, I said that you will have to click three buttons. I only clicked on one, on this share screen button, but you have this email URL button. You hit it, I will not hit it now, but you hit it, you enter your email address, and what it does is this script, this link will be sent to your email address so that you can just open it by clicking on the link. Yeah. um, you receive an email on your smartphone, open it, the browser opens, this URL opens, you basically see the live screen on that link. Um, that's it. And the last button that you will want to click is this this blue button that says Hide plus Win Startup. Basically, what it does is it puts the software into stealth mode, install it. This is the final installation process. So that Wolfeye will be restarted whenever Windows is restarted. The Windows system is restarted. I will click it, zack, and the Windows disappears. The software goes into stealth mode. The user will notice nothing of any surveillance, and basically that's it. The computer is being monitored. The user will notice nothing, and you will see the live computer screen as if you were sitting in front of it. One note, um, I showed you that the software creates a link and you will see the live screen on that URL, on that link. So you have two options. You have the option to password protect that link. For that, you just write us an email. We send you a link where you can set your own password. And the moment you set the password, the URL will be password protected. Second, you might want to enable an additional feature that will allow you to save screenshots every 5 minutes, every 3 minutes, whatever you want, every 10 minutes. for that, write us an email that will allow you to just let the surveillance, and at the end of the day or at the other day, you can come back and check what has been done on the computer by seeing all the screenshots that have been saved. So this is the second part. In the last part, I will talk about things that you must take into account if you want to install this kind of software. Things like antivirus settings, things that like the correct download and installation folder, things like which registry entries are being made. So that's based, and things like how actually this software works, not from a user perspective, but why is it that it is a that it can share the screen. So I hope this helps.